Okay.
It's going.
8,500 pounds. Force on
Mm-hmm.
We should put some of the moon buggies themes on there.
it.
Yeah.
Cuban.
Yeah.
See how much that stuff can hold.
Of course, I would mention the fittings would probably crush it. Just trying to
Yeah.
put it on there.
We'd have to put a solid piece where we're clamping it probably.
It's hot roll. It's starting to give way. It's flaking off.
Okay.
Oh, is that the problem? See, normally it's used to getting a machine down section, just like your little.
Okay, it's going
Twisted.
down now. The force is
What
going
just
down.
happened to my strain rate? It just sank down. My extensometer slipped.
I mean, the force is going down. Oh, now it's going up. Okay.
The curve's supposed to be a nice smooth curve. Now it'll get past. There's the yield rating it just captured, and now once it hits 0.5, it'll tell me to remove the instrument. It's supposed to.
All she wrote, huh?
Yeah, at that point this thing becomes dead, and now watch out.
You're going to break it now.
Yeah. It ought to hourglass down if it's hot roll. Yeah, it is. It's starting to hourglass close to the top. You see how it's shrinking down?
Now, wouldn't it be like the smallest tool mark on the surface will make it want to break right there? Or
Do what now?
wouldn't like the smallest tool mark on any part of the surface?
Oh yeah,
make it,
well that's why typically when you pull a tensile apart, you have a machined surface that is about 3 inches long.
Uh-huh.
You machine it down to a smaller diameter so that you can guarantee where it's going to give, and then the machine calculates the actual force rating, even though off of that machined area. Because with solids like this, you don't know where they're going to break, be it in the jaws. No, it's hourglassing down right up there.
Oh, very top.
It's still climbing. 9,700, 96, 9,700.
That hot roll's kind of junk metal anyway. You never. It may have a piece of some kind of imperfection in it.
So now if I see something flaking like that,
Really stretching. This will come up and it'll pause out and it'll start dropping while it's hourglassing out. But it hasn't stopped yet.
10,000 pounds on it. I wouldn't have thought that.
See, I know that grade 8 bolts, I use them as tension studs on my load cells. I can take them up to 20,000 pounds. Those have been
Size?
hardened.
What size bolts?
It is a 5/8 round.
Grade 8 5/8.
Yeah. I take them to 20,000 pounds on it. Actually, no, it's smaller than that because they're machined down to about 3/8 of a diameter on the ends where I'm able to latch into jaws similar to those over there. So,
And they break at the thread, to the root of the thread.
not that I don't know. I haven't taken them to where they break
Oh.
yet. I just use them to check tension on bigger machines up to 20,000 pounds. But see, with these, because it's a universal machine, you do compression down here, tension up here, because the one table is moving the same direction. So we just have to calibrate via a compression device down on the bottom.
It's compression too, huh?
Yep.
Wow.
That's what. There's a flat plate in there, compression plate that bolts up down here in the bottom
Okay.
to use it as a compression machine. Man, oh man, I can't believe that thing's still climbing. I figured that would have broke by now. But then again, it's not a machine surface, so. taut roll. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, that's it. She's going somewhere. There it goes.
It's gonna break right in the middle.
Yeah. You get this, Jason? That's true. How many? What was that? Now that wasn't considered yield, right?
No, whenever.
I
Oh
wondered.
yeah, that's the one. Now see, what you have to do before you start the test is on the bar, you take an indent. Like that's why I'm saying you need the machine area in the center of the bar, and then you take a 2-inch indenter that indents it, and then after the specimen breaks, you put it back together again, and you measure how far it's stretched, and you type that into this screen, and it will tell you the percent gauge length that it's stretched. We don't exactly know, so I'm gonna guess about 2.56. Yeah, now it tells it made us the up to 12,150, and it yielded at 8,600 pound is when it starts to give way. Yep.